Cause king size my buy. I say it a go look. I saw my bed white just like the bed there. The bed bottom, the bed end. I saw me order 2 little nightstand something, but me get my bed in a white and me just a draw them I go be in a black. I saw me I do it. I saw me want spread my bed, I saw me want my pillow then look. I saw me go and put one nice big frame over it. Me go up on my Walmart and show you know. With that being said now, this a go be my bed. I saw my bed I go look. Some bed I go look. And then when my bed looks so now, me buy the box spring, which is that for make it get higher, and put that on it. And me have my comforter them already when me I go buy, and me have the same pillow them like when me show you when me get off at Walmart. And then here on my bed stand, me side table them. Them me I go put on the 2 side them. You understand? And then now I also buy this too. Me I buy that too. And me have one big round mirror. And when time I put that on the wall now, I have a big mirror, the round one, where I go put round it, make it look like a side come. You see, sometimes you buy some set, some bedroom set. Everybody have them or it just look the same like everybody like a set. Sometimes you can put your own things them together and make it look good. So me I go have that, and that me I go deal with. And it more cheaper and it easier. Cause the bed set to me want almost $3,000 feet. Me not pay so much money for that. Me not pay so much money for furniture over here, me I tell you the truth. My house now pack up with furniture like me living have my papers here. Me not be an idiot. Me know a broke feel. Me know it feel for not have that and come and beg and everybody I say go look work. Say me look money them what them see me make. And me look USD me enough money where them see me now penny off me I save my money. Anything can happen. Stay there. Them dip my blood clot, my go down broke and left it all of my furnitures them up so. Furnitures not take 1 day for sale. Me not depend that. Me go down at Walmart. Walmart sell good things. Enough more we read the reviews and whatever people buy them bed from Walmart and still have it up to years and whatever. So me I buy it and fix up my thing. Me also I go have this too, let me show you. Also I go have one of them the two. But another one them I have. Me I go have the higher one. And my TV now I go depend it. My TV I go depend the wall. So me I go back down at Walmart. Me I buy one about 65-inch TV. But the TV man come back and put it up on the wall. And me I go have that something there under my TV with some nice little vase and something on top of it. Because my TV now go depend on top of it. My TV I depend on the wall as a little decor. So at the end of the day, my side table them black, my dresser black, that black. You understand? That's some me I deal with the thing. And you see how cheap it is? Yeah. And the ending of that black. You see the ending black? That's some me I deal with my thing. That bed I look like it not have no back spring on it. That's why it looks so flat. I put back spring on mine. When I'm done, I some room I go look. Buy 2 nice light bed lamp. Just the same. Buy 2 other little mirror put round it just to, hello. Go down a blood clot tag. Go get one of them big car. Hello? 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 Did somebody say something to me? don't know, man. I'm ready to put my things together. Eat that. So that me I deal with right now. And up on the lily business, made that hurt me, I see. That look good, man. That look good. I don't need nobody tell me where to go. I don't decide. Later.